Namaste. Welcome to this program, Nature Flow, with me, Indira Chava. We have designed this program for you to experience the calmness and peaceful mind using the nature. So, when it comes to nature, what do we think of? Plants, water, mountains, greenery, earth, many things, right? So, today, as you see me, I'm in the middle of a water movement using this river as an element for you to practice with me and feel the calmness. So, I will share more details about the benefits of we doing yoga in the midst of nature. So, let's get started. Be seated in any comfortable posture with the hands in mudra. Rolling shoulders back and down. Eyes gently closed. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, long. This is just to settle down into the practice. If in case you have many thoughts right now, make use of this water sound for you to bring your awareness into the class, into this practice with me, so that from many thoughts, whatever you have right now, is becoming only one thought, that is water. Now, slowly, once you know that your awareness is slowly shifting from many thoughts to the practice with me, let us begin with 3 Omkara. You adopt Namaskara Mudra at the chest center. Inhale, deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. And gently open your palms, look into palms, open eyes. Namaste. As you all observe, many times in our regular yoga practice or any time when you're working, we constantly get distracted. So, by using nature, let us do this for all these sessions. Whenever you get a distraction in your home, when you're practicing with me, use this element, the water element for today, to bring your awareness back. That's your task for the entire practice, so that you're physically and mentally with me throughout the session. How is this? Let's do it. I will also do the same because I do get many thoughts in between the session. I will bring it back to the water. Then I'll again continue to teach, do the same. Let's do little warm up. Loosening up your joints and lengthening the spine. So you can interlock fingers. Inhale, extend arms, keeping your gaze down, forward. Exhale, just release your hands. If you're comfortable, also add the neck movement. Interlock, inhale, lengthen, look down. Exhale, by the side, look up. If you're not comfortable being seated, Please feel free to stand up and do the same warm-up asanas. Inhale, Tadasana, length of the spine. Exhale, by the side, look up. Interlock. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, by the side, look up. One last time. Inhale, lengthen, look down. Exhale, by the side, look up. Now, let's do a small twisting as well. Interlock fingers, inhale, lengthen. Twist towards your right side. I will just mirror you. Exhale, twist towards your right side, that is my left side. Hold the opposite knee, other hand at the back, twist, look back. Interlock, inhale, lengthen again. Exhale, twist to the other side, one hand at the back, other hand holding the knee, look back. Interlock, inhale, lengthen, look down. Exhale, twist to your right, look back, holding the knee, twisting. Interlock, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to your left side, look back. Last round. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to your right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to your left. Now, interlock fingers. Inhale, lengthen. And release. Exhale. Yes. Once you're there, simple neck movements if you want to do. Inhale, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now to the side. Look towards your right side. I am looking at my left just to mirror you. Your left side. Side, side, one more time. Side, side. Last one. Side and side. Come back to center. Shrug your shoulders once and drop it. This is just to relax. Let go of that all tension we carry. Inhale. Just let go. You can keep your eyes closed. Listen to the sound and do it few times. Shrug your shoulders and release. Do it like keep doing few times. Shrug, drop. When you're doing, right? Not just dropping. Just think of you're dropping all the stress, all the responsibilities, all that you're carrying which are not necessary, dropping. Shrug your shoulders and let go. Shrug your shoulders and let go. Inhale, shrug. A little faster exhalation. Go. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Open your eyes gently. Hope you're feeling better. This simple practice, you can do it any time of the day, in the middle of the day, before you go to sleep or as soon as you start your day, just to let go of that any tension you're carrying mentally. Okay. Now we will be starting with the breathing practice. Starting with Kapalabhati practice, which is a cleansing, forehead shining practice. This is called Kapala, means the head. Bhati is the shining. So this is a cleansing practice which helps you clear all your thoughts. Unnecessary, the clutter of the thoughts what we carry, this helps you clear all of them. So give your best. Those who have heart problems, blood pressure issues or low back pain, menstruation can do the normal breathing. Do not practice Kapalabhati. Others continue with me. So sit in any comfortable position. You can do it sitting on the chair or even putting a cushion under your buttocks so that your spine is straight, not rounding like this. Sitting upright and adopt Nasikagra Mudra with your right hand, holding your index finger, middle finger, using your ring and the thumb finger. Now you're going to visualize yourself clearing your nose the day you have cold or any blocked nose. How do you clear it? By leaning onto the sink. You clear it like this, right? Same way. Do that by pulling your belly in. If you're not able to get it, feel free to place your palm on the stomach and exhale every time you blow it out. Okay, let's make a quick trial, doing it like 5 times on the left, 5 times on the right. Do it with me. I will also help you with the count. Do it with my counting. Inhale and start. Exhale, 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 exhale. This was just to make sure that you got the breathing and the pace. Now the same thing on the other side. I will give you breath sound now. Right. This is how you're going to do. If you're not able to get it, do not worry. Slowly work on pulling the navel in and blow the nose out like how you clear on the days you have blocked nose. Let us do for about 4 to 5 sets of these things, taking a small breaks in between. Closing your right nostril. You can place your palm on the stomach so that you're making sure that belly goes in, and start 10 times blowing out your left nostril. Close your eyes, focus only on the breath, and start. Once you finish 10 times on the left nostril, close the left nostril with the ring finger and open your right nostril to do 10, and start. Exhale. Once you finish, take a quick break, very short break, to see how you feel your breath. We'll do the second set. If you were very comfortable, increase the count to 15. If that itself was challenging, I would recommend continue with the 10. So closing the right nostril with your right thumb, open your left nostril and start breathing out 15 times. Once you finish, change the nostril, close the left nostril, open your right, 15. Exhale. Take a short break. Observe the breathing. You may experience a little spontaneous retention of the breath. That means you don't feel like breathing suddenly. That is very normal after Kapalabhati. I want you to observe that. Let's do the third set. Regular practitioners can increase it to 18 or 20. And those who are doing for the first time, stick to 15 or 10. Do not increase more than that. And if in case you experience any low back pain, stop the practice immediately and do normal breathing. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Start exhaling on your left nostril. Exhale. If you're finished on one nostril, close the left nostril with your ring finger, open your right and breathe out. Exhale. Release the hand. Observe the breathing. First of all, check, do you feel like breathing or not? If you feel like breathing, how do you find the breath? Observe that. How do you find it before you started the practice? How many thoughts were there in your mind? Were there any thoughts constantly bothering you? Observe it. How do you feel now? Has it become just one thought? That is your breath. And gently open your eyes, looking down. Moving on to Nadi Shodhana practice, means alternatal nostril breathing. Nadis are the ones which carry prana in our body. Prana means the life source, the very particular thing which is telling you that you are alive. And if nadis are blocked, you get lot of diseases. For that reason, we practice Nadi Shodhana every day to stay healthy. That is for the health purpose. Now, how about the mind? Nadi Shodhana is done with the breath. So, of course, it's going to help you calm down the mind, calm down your nervous system, because you exhale longer. So, practice with me Nadi Shodhana, observing the sounds at the background. So, let your breath flow like water. So, literally look at the stream and see that your breath is just flowing forward with the water. And try to increase the length of your exhalation. That is going to calm down your mind as quickly as possible. So, how is this done? Let me show you quickly using the Nasikagra Mudra. So, first you will close your right nostril, inhaling from left, close the left nostril, exhale through right. Again, same, you have to come back, take a U-turn. Inhale from right nostril, close it, exhale through left nostril. This is one round. So don't worry about the rounds. Keep practicing until I tell you to stop it. All I have to tell you is follow your breath and let the sound at the back calm you down further, and your attention completely turning towards the water and the practice from all the thoughts you had before entering the class. So let's begin. Sit in any comfortable posture, closing your right nostril with your right thumb. You can close your eyes if you are a regular practitioner, or if you're new to the practice, look at me how I practice and follow the same nostril. And closing the right nostril, inhale from left, close the left nostril, exhale through right. Inhale from right, exhale through left. Inhale from left, exhale through right. Inhale from right, exhale through left. Inhale from right, left. Exhale through right. Inhale from right, exhale through left. Inhale from left, exhale right. Observe the breath becoming longer. Inhale from right, Exhale through left. Inhale from left. Exhale through right. Flowing like water, your breath is flowing very well. Inhale from right. Exhale through your left. We'll do one more round. Inhale from left. Exhale through your right. Inhale from right. Exhale through your left. Release the hand down, keeping your eyes closed. Observe the breathing. Exhale. Think of your breath flowing like water. Inhale. As you exhale, allow your breath to flow with the water sound you hear at the back. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Those who feeling little tired with your spine sitting up straight or any numbness, tingling sensation in the legs, feel free to straighten them, wiggle them a little, let them get relaxed for some time and get back to seated position. Those who are comfortable sitting up straight, continue to follow the sound of the water and let your breath flow with it. Make sure that your breath is flowing with the water. And now, start to slowly listen to the sound of the water. Listening to the sound of the water at the back. From that, many thoughts too, you are arriving to one single thought, that is the water flow. There are chances you might get distracted, which is absolutely normal. Keep your awareness coming back to the water. And during that observation of the distraction of the mind, observe what is that thought which is distracting you. Is it a sound inside your house, or somebody shouting or calling you, or any other sound which is situational? Or is it any thought within distracting you? Understanding that when your mind is calm, ability to take your decisions are better, and more 100% clear. When you have too many thoughts and take any decisions, there are chances that we might take wrong decisions. What we are doing right now is, from that many thoughts, bring it to one thought first. Let your mind get relaxed, become calm. And drawing some principles from the river, the water flowing right now, is not carrying anything with it, leaving everything behind and moving forward. What we can learn from the river. Whatever our past is, whatever is bothering you right now, cultivate an attitude of letting go, just like a river. Understand the fact that whatever is been done, we cannot change, but there is so much to do in the future. Learning the attitude of moving on from the water of a river. Such meditation practices help you cleanse your heart, cleanse your mind, the thought pattern of your mind. When we seek from the nature, pick up one thought that is bothering you from many years or months. And you know that you cannot change anything about it. But still it bothers you because you haven't made up your mind to let go. Somewhere you're clinging on to that. Just imagine how a still water can catch, attract mosquitoes, or even the patches it can attract underneath the water. Same like that, the longer we hold on to the past, any thought, the stagnant we become. Today, take that brave step to let go of that. This is what we are seeking from the river today. With that, let us end today's session with a sense of gratitude, showing to the river for all the lessons it's teaching us. You can join palms at the heart center. Inhale, one Omkara. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Inhale. Exhale, gently bow the head down to express that gratitude to the river. And sitting upright, gently open your palms, look into palms. That was our first session called Nature Flow with me, Indira Chavva. And we have understood very important factor about the river or the flowing water. That is not holding on to anything and letting go of it. Isn't it? So, I hope this practice, this session helped you calm your mind, your breathing, and also relax the entire body by listening to the sounds around, and also purified your mind by letting off of that old thoughts which have become burden on your mind. Come back for the next session to learn much more techniques and much more information regarding the nature and how we can learn from the nature and apply to our life. This is Indira Chava taking leave. See you in the next session. Namaste.